In this video, I will describe how to remove and clean the sound tube and ear dome from the Otofonix Encore hearing device. If you are using the Apex or Elite models, please watch the video titled Cleaning Your Otofonix Apex or Elite Hearing Device. Okay, let's get started. First, we want to locate the cleaning kit, which comes in the box, a tissue, and reading glasses if you have a hard time seeing smaller objects. The monofilament wire will be either green or black. I like to set it off to the side on a plate so I don't lose it. And the cleaning brush on one end, and on the other end you will find a loop to be able to dig out any earwax that may be caught in the ear dome. Now we want to remove the sound tube and clean the hearing device. To remove the sound tube, hold the body of the hearing device in one hand and the base of the sound tube in the other. Rotate the base of the sound tube counterclockwise until it is completely removed from the body of the hearing device. Set the sound tube to the side. Use the cleaning brush to brush the body of the hearing device, the microphone, and the opening where the sound tube connects to remove any wax or debris. Before we can clean the sound tube, we need to remove the ear dome. Invert the ear dome to make it easier to grip. Firmly pull the ear dome off of the sound tube. Next, you want to clean the ear dome. There's a few methods that you can use. First, you can use the cleaning brush to clean the outside of the ear dome. Number two, you can roll the ear dome around in your fingers to loosen any wax inside the holes. And third, you can use the little hook at the end of the cleaning brush to dig out any wax that might be stuck. Now use the cleaning wire to push it into the base of the sound tube and push it all the way through until you can pull it out the other end. Now that the sound tube and the ear dome is clean, we want to reassemble the device. First, let's start with putting the ear dome back on the sound tube. Notice that there are 3 ridges at the end of the sound tube. You want to make sure that the ear dome slides over all 3 ridges. This is very important to make sure that the ear dome doesn't come off in your ear canal. Now screw the tube back onto the body of the hearing device. Hold the body of the hearing device in one hand and the base of the sound tube in the other. Rotate the base of the sound tube clockwise until it is flush with the body of the hearing device. And that is how you properly clean your Otofonix Encore hearing device. Before you go, I have a few important tips to ensure that you get maximum performance from your hearing device. Use the cleaning brush to clean the body of the hearing device, the microphone, and the ear dome on a daily basis. This helps to prevent any wax buildup from working its way into the sound tube, causing you to have to go through this process on a more frequent basis. Remove and clean the sound tube once a month or more frequently as needed. Replace the sound tube once every 3 months and the ear domes once every 2 months. Both are made of medical grade plastic, but they do wear down after time, which will eventually reduce the performance of your device. Clean ears make a huge difference in the performance of your hearing device. Consider investing in an earwax cleaning system if you produce a lot of earwax. Hearing aid dehumidifiers can be a huge help in the longevity of your hearing device, especially if you live in a humid climate. And finally, we do get a lot of questions about the stabilizer bar. The stabilizer bar helps to keep the ear dome in your ear canal and to make sure you don't push it in too far. For some people, it can be a little bit too long, making it uncomfortable. It's okay to trim it to size, but we don't recommend removing it completely. You can also improve the shape of the stabilizer bar the same way as curling a ribbon. Use your thumbnail and your index finger to firmly pull down on the stabilizer bar until you reach the desired shape. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Otofonix instructional video. If you have any questions that weren't answered in this video, we do have many other videos available to help you with your device. Likewise, you can always call a product support specialist. We're always standing by to help. Again, thank you very much for your time. We hope you have a great day.